Kabait ka po.
Shy type si tatay.
Ay nalang baik tayo, pero hindi pwede.
Ulit na lang sa kanya.
Much Miss Sharon Cuneta. Next we have Miss Liza.
Love can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know.
Next we have Miss
It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories.
Next we have Mr. John Guliano.
I'm going on during this time. I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got away. You're driving me crazy.
Next we have Mr. June Bueno.
Somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold.
Again po, para po sa 18 roses po natin, huwag po natin iiwanan yung debutant hanggat wala pa po yung kapalit na magsasayaw. Next we have Mr. Chris.
Someone who feels like a hard day. Lonely pieces, barely believe it. Starting to think that I've lost all feeling. Can't have been this woman forever. 'Cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Started getting angel, baby. I'll fall in love with the little things. Counting the times it's all yours. Tell me a secret, baby, I'll keep it. Sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isiyaw ng bagay. Ito na ang nararamdaman ng buhay. Sumasabay ang titigil ating mga palag. Hawak kamay, sumasabay sa musika.
All of my life, I thought I was right, looking for something new. Stuck in my ways, like old-fashioned days, but all the roads led me to you. The house that you live in.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Fred Guliano.